Hello, my beauty buddies. Today I thought we'd talk about Latisse. People ask me about it all the time. I've been using it for probably about 8 years, pretty much since it came out when the Brooke Shields commercials were out and she was talking about it. And when you go to the doctor, and you should definitely go to the doctor and get a prescription for this. I have another way that I've been buying it now, but just first time for sure, go to a doctor, and they give you a box for it when you purchase it there, or with a prescription anywhere. There's a little bottle inside. This is the Latisse, and then they give you these, I think, totally useless, I'm should be art projects, little brushes. And the reason I'm saying these are useless is I feel like it just sucks in the product and you use way more than you need to. So I just use a thicker eyeliner brush, and I just put a drop on it and then apply it to my eye, and that's what I've been using. And then I wash it every time I use it. I mean, I get their idea here that, use this for the right eye, this for the left eye, and they're just being super overprotective. But I've been using it for years and years and years this way, using my own brush, and I can use just like one drop per eye and it doesn't soak in, and I really am able to apply. And a lot of times I'll have leftover and I will rub it into my eyebrows so I can, keep my eyebrow growth up.
Let's take a look at what Latisse says on their website. Now let's first go through the important safety information that they have here. Do not use Latisse if you're allergic to one of its ingredients. If you use or used prescription products for eye pressure problems, use Latisse under doctor care. May cause brown darkening of the colored part of the eye, which is likely permanent. Latisse may cause eyelid skin darkening, which may be reversible. Only apply at base of upper lashes. Do not apply to lower lid. Hair may grow outside of the treatment area. If you have eye problems, surgery, consult your doctor. Common side effects include itchy and red eyes. If discontinued, lashes gradually return to previous appearance. And then it says these are not all the possible side effects of Latisse, and for more information, talk to your doctor. And then they have full product information that you can click here. On their website, they've got some really good befores and afters. You can look at the person, the difference from their week 0 to week 8 to week 16. And they have different views, of the faces that you can take a look at, so you can kind of see the difference. So, this lady here, you can see she has a far different level of volume than perhaps this girl did here. I feel like, let me look at the straight on view. So this is her at week 16. I feel like mine kind of did this. Now these are the clinical trial photos, so you can take a look at all of these also. So just different ones here. And again, you can compare by week 8 versus 16. So you see, it looks like they just get really a lot thicker as it goes on. They immediately get longer and then they get thicker. And they are saying here that all of these photos are unretouched and without mascara. So it's nice that it's not like the mascara ads that they have now, where when you look at the bottom, it's like using lash inserts. It's like, come on, a mascara ad and they're using false eyelashes? Really?
Some people have reactions to it. I know people who have gotten a bit of redness on their eyelid. I know people, one of my friends, hers grew too long. She had to stop, but she kind of has great eyelashes to start with anyway. I don't know why she's actually using it. I haven't ever had any of that ever. So I absolutely love it. I have very short blonde eyelashes, and because I've been on it so long, I can't really show you befores and afters. I'll show you my eyelashes here before I put mascara on. False eyelashes on right now. These are false eyelashes because I'm just doing this one to talk to you guys about it. Now, I've been purchasing mine in Mexico for years. It's by Allergen, as you can see, Allergen. It's the Bimaprost Ophthalmic Solution 0.03%. They're both the same. And at the Walmart pharmacy, so you're at a Walmart pharmacy, this isn't some weird off-the-road place. I've purchased this for as little as $35 when it was selling for over $100 in the United States. And you know what? I'll totally use my own brushes to save, that much money on this. And it works exactly the same. So, I just want to let you know that, definitely the first time buy it in the United States, try it out, make sure it's working, make sure your doctor's cool with it and all that. But I've had really good luck purchasing it, in a different country for far less. So that's, I kind of stock up. They do have expiration dates on them. I keep mine in the refrigerator so they stay fresher longer. I mean, I use them by the expiration date, but I mean, because I'm usually buying like 3 at a time when I buy them somewhere else like that. And I just absolutely love it. And I can totally tell when I don't use it. So what I did is at first I used it every single day. Now I do probably 3 to 5 days a week, and that seems to maintain it. But if you do stop using it for an extended period of time, what happens is your lashes just go back to how they were. They just aren't getting that extra boost to make them thicker and a little bit darker. I think that I have kind of average results. I know some people have far better results, but I've been really happy with it, and it allows me to have far better and less sparse lashes than I had in the beginning. So hopefully this helps. I've been using it for years. Again, it doesn't work for everybody, but if you do have kind of shorter, sparser lashes, and then also one of my cousins, she went through breast cancer and lost the lashes and everything, and she used it afterwards for her lashes and her eyebrows. So, people use it when they have none, and it supposedly helps stimulate that growth again. Hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day or evening wherever you are.